University because we will be having our seminar workshop for personal growth and development.
Yes.
So here's my classmates. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Welcome to our house.
We're the big house. Hoy, na din ako 500.
Asa ko na?
Ah, sige.
Partial full.
Partial.
Ay, full na ni.
Ay, wala ba ko'y kwarta? Lawan.
Pero manisa.
Ay, hoy, for the end na this vlog, bye.
Mga wait na. Mga trabaho.
Wala pa na si Mia. Ayog nga, ano, ayog. Ano lang. Lawan?
Pero lisod ata na pangitan kay wala kay study ngay ngana. Pero pwede duha ka paragraph pa.
Kita suburi.
Lisod lagi. Proper mo. Sana yung pangitan ni mo na sa kasabot sa reading. Okay.
Tambah sa irog-irog bila.
Gutom na lagi. Kadto as na tabula. Isugot na yung ma'am. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Ako
Say hi.
sukat na ito marami sa pain relief.
Ay, manghiram sa kuha ni Carmen.
Ako na ayun.
Come here. Hello. Hi. Aren't you the prettiest? Aren't you the prettiest? Oh, shush. Oh, shush.
This is the best thing ever.
Say hi. Oh, he's crying.
Sa puti.
Mga pila na nga ganis mo 30?
Baby J. Hindi pa ni older. He's older.
You?
20 years old?
Oh, you like that too? No, you like that, no? You like that? You like this,
Mura siyang si
no?
Snowball.
Marathon.
Movie marathon.
I'm here. Bunga.
Ah! Sawadika!
Ay, nag-vlog lagi ko.
Hi everyone! Quick update on why I was vlogging and why am I talking? Okay, so why am I talking? Because we're already having our counting days outside to use them. That's still away. Yeah, so I was thinking all of my vlogs were somehow related to my college life, but then pandemic came, and then since I was a fourth year, we were going through the internship, so I haven't vlogged anything related to our schools or universities. Hence, here we are. It's not really the typical university tour or a days in the life of a USAPIan student, but it's just, I don't know, recording some of the little moments because we're having a little more days towards our graduation. I'll be vlogging that as well for sure, but before I'm going to vlog that, I need to have this one. So today's agenda is just going to be passing our papers, meeting about our newsletter. Oh no! Oh no! So I was here in a room. In the back of it was, yes, it's a window, and I saw my teacher going out. How are we supposed to pass now if they left? Dang it. So this is going to be the slice of life of a USAPIan student. Chillan tayo dito, ready na sa PESLA.
Gusto ko ng pisla. Ay,
Mag-ready pa ba di? Ayun na.
Hindi ko ay bala. Magnangar ako dito at baka sa mag-interview. Nakadasa.
Peace people. Hey, hi. Susunak. Kaya niya yan. Ano po na yung face mask yan? Kamot. Oh, na.
Sorry po.
Are you? Are you? Feel perfectly fine. Siguro sa tanan nagkanang school vlog kay muna ni ang pinaka walay discussion. Hindi mo sa classroom, walay klase, wala mga classmates. Wala.
Life of a graduating student, especially though for those who did not make it on time with the hardbound. This is the only people that's not here in USAP is us.
It's the fourth year.
The fourth years.
Trying to crawl their way into the mountain, not knowing if they're going to reach it or slide upon it.
You're the graduating ones. We're just the grads.
The grand.
The fourth year grads.
Pag may magigigamit. Yung mirror. Like a beauty vlogger. Kadambot niya na kung Vogue dira na kayo.
Ano bug?
Kanang Vogue ba nga? Get ready with me.
Ay, yeah.
Sige, go.
With special participation of USAPIan. Get ready with me.
Yung ba't yung nga ni para mag-last long.
Ay, siya candy.
So you have to explain. Beauty guru.
Ay, okay. So this one is soft lips from Lip Sticky Mask. Uy, mahal ba yung ito? Lux Organics. There. Oh my God. O, sige na kayo, mag-picture na ni. For the resume. Bye, guys! So,
Good afternoon. Nagbalon ta.
Tungong pa na eh. Katungong pa doon.
Guess who's late?
Makamimuras ko kutok kong base na ako gamit.
Hi.
Nagibala siya sa
Sa may yun ako. Wala.
Kasi siya nag-vlog ani kagahapon.
Ay.
Okay, go.
Ibalikan ako ni Ili.
English.
Ha? Hindi ko.
Uy, English di ba, Kiss?
Palasa din eh.
Vlog. Sige na.
No, I can't.
Guess who's late for no apparent reason at all. Me. Late for no apparent reason.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat?
Oy, smoochie!
Ay, wala lagi nagto.
Ay, ayoko pangutan. Dili ako ano. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi po. Balikan ko ni inignahan. Diri gihapon nga area pero this time naka-block togan ako. Remember that. Say, diwa ko ilabot sa date ron June 9. I will be back at June 27. You done that?
English man akong viewer.
Ako ilabot i-translate. Manawag kaya.
So, hi.
Hi guys.
This is Loretta. Follow her YouTube channel. Hi.
Tapoy na kayo, guys!
Hi. Hi.
Do you know what we're fighting for?
We're fighting to graduate.
It's not worth fighting for.
Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Nakalimtent ako.
Yes! Mo-graduate ko, guys. Mo-graduate.
English. I will graduate. Mag-video si Smutsi sa naa siya dapat pagpa-hardbound na mo. Kanya, pagkuhan na pictorial, and then pagkuhan na mo sa AR, and then sa graduation. Dapat ma-record niya kay tapulan mo ko mag-record sa siyang mag-record sa among mga achievements.
Joy.
Siya man among recorder.
Joy.
Hi, Dia. Kung gusto ka mag-graduate. Hi, ba? Kung gusto ka mag-graduate.
Teresa.
Naghan na ito.
Ride.
Currently here at Energy Park because our first agenda was supposed to be the TESDA because we are looking for the list that we're going to apply our NC2. But what happened? What happened, Joanne?
Cut off sila 3 p.m.
So we're just going to stroll around, enjoy nature.
If this is nature.
This is nature. In hills, by the way. In hills.
Unsa nga Diyos inyo, ma'am? Hi, welcome to
Hello everyone. I really want to vlog vlog today because it's already 10 a.m. in the morning and I'm already tired because tired but productive. I went to bank and now I'm here in school. I had no breakfast at all. I'm super hungry. So this is the life of a U Sapien student. You're gonna go to school either not taking a shower or not having breakfast at all. You're gonna take a walk regardless of which gate are you going to enter, unless you have your own personal vehicle. But in my case, I didn't. So we're walking. Let's go ahead and exercise. But it's quite inefficient for me who haven't had breakfast yet. Oh my god. So let's stay tuned for our day today. Later on. Hello. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, Che. Okay, mamahaw na ta. Diet yung ano. Nahalagi pagka-on dire. Oh.
Wala.
Yun eh. Let's work, people. Let's work.
Na-record ka niya. Wala na-record. Wala na-pindot.
Wala pa man ko. Di pa man ko ready.
Wala na-pindot.
Baliw. Wala. Dili pa man ko ready. So, hi, everyone.
Kita to eh. Kung na-realize niyo ba, lamin na kayo mong pakit-kit sa...
Sige, ikaw na lang mag-yo-yo. Oh, sige.
Lamin na kayo mong pakit-kit sa camera niya.
Say hi to the vlog and explain where we are and what are we doing. Go.
Hello vlog! We are here today.
In? And where?
Saan mabot ng article? Magpan niya.
Oo,
balungan na rin kay part sa article.
So we're here in Music Clinic. Beside? Next.
Tama na smooch? Tama na smooch?
In front of Music Clinic. Music
Tama
Clinic.
pero tama na.
USEP Clinic. And we're going to do some fourth year stuff to be passed
Wala, wapulo yun eh.
for our clearance. I'm doing my newsletter. And this girl is doing what? She's doing her research. And this, same as those two. And this one is doing research. So we're going to work now. Nakikita ko galing mo ba doon?
Una. Uy, smoochie!
What?
Walay picture ang pre-deployment. Inyuhan na yun.
That's not mine. Kay wala ko nahulog dira kay di ba nga?
Chatan ka sa GC. Okay, chatan ako. Paan kuan ni o kuan? One piece chicken.
Thank you, Bon!
Gusto niyo mo try anong likod sa kutsi mo sakay ay.
Kanang likod. Kanang sa kanang sa
Nababusog ka?
Oh, sa anak ko. Gusto niyo ka makatry like hallucination.
Ang sunod. Hi. Sinuglaw. 11 lagi ko no. Sinuglaw. Hindi sa sinuglaw. Ako pa dyan yung pinaka-last. Kaya gani pahurot na. Oh, di gatag na lang niya. Yogurt! Uy, gutom na. Good daw. Huwag kita ba? Gusto ko mabasa po. Bon appetit. Mama, kapangit. Ay, quality.
Naop lagi to.
Yo, Ring.
Ay, okay naman.
Ito na ako pinita.
Charot.
Laura man.
Ay, may ating na Lord. Pag-graduate ko, Lord.
Ala, di na gusto yung graduate si Bale. Hindi mo yung kami.
Nag-movie man, good.